In this video, you'll discover how to buy plane tickets up to 50% cheaper. Have you ever noticed how the price of a ticket can change right before your eyes? One moment it's one number, you refresh the page, and suddenly it's 30% higher. It feels like airlines and booking sites are playing a tricky game against us. And it's not an illusion. Algorithms track your actions, how many times you search for a flight, for which date, and from which city. The system identifies you as an interested customer and starts slowly raising the price. The result, you panic about missing the ticket and end up paying more. This is called dynamic pricing, and it works just like a casino. But here's the good news. This system has weak points. Experienced travelers know dozens of hacks that actually save money. The difference can be huge. The same ticket might cost $500 for a regular user, but only $300 for someone who knows the rules of the game. You've probably heard the basics, book in advance or fly at night, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. There are hidden methods, using a VPN to change your search location, meta search engines, clever connections, and special fares. And that's exactly what we'll cover next, step by step, how to start buying cheaper tickets today. Number 2, when to buy tickets, perfect timing and dates to avoid. Airline prices are rarely random. They're powered by algorithms, and if you know the sweet spot, you can save hundreds of dollars. How far in advance to book? Domestic flights, 1.5 to 2 months before departure. International flights, 2 to 4 months. Too early, no discounts. Too late, the last-minute premium kicks in. Best days to book. Tuesday and Wednesday, late at night or early in the morning, lowest demand, cheaper prices. Friday and Sunday, most expensive. Best times to fly, night, 5 to 7 a.m. or midweek. Friday evening and Sunday evening, peak pricing. Dates to avoid. Holidays, major events, festivals, prices can jump 1.5 to 2x. Countdown hack. If your price jumps, check nearby dates. Shifting by just 1 to 2 days can save 30 to 40%. Use price calendars and meta search engines to spot the best days. Takeaway. Book 2 to 3 months ahead, aim for midweek, avoid peak dates. Number 3, VPN and geo tricks, how location changes the price. Most people don't know that airfare changes based on where you're searching from. Algorithms adapt to local income levels. US or Switzerland, higher prices. India or Argentina, much lower. The difference can be 20 to 50%. How to check? Turn on VPN and switch to another country, India, Turkey, Argentina, Eastern Europe. Search the same route again. Compare prices. Example, Paris to New York, search from Germany, $510. Search from Argentina, $370. Savings, $140. Currency trick. Even without VPN, switching the payment currency can save 5 to 10%. Try paying in the local currency of the departure country. Where it works best? Asian and Latin American low-cost carriers and international airlines with multiple regional offices. Important. Watch out for bank fees. Use multi-currency cards or services like Wise or Revolut. Takeaway. A single VPN test can save you more than a year's worth of cash back. Always compare at least 2 to 3 regions. Number 4, meta search engines and hidden tools. If you stick to just one booking site, you're losing money. Real travel hackers use systems. Classic meta search engines. Skyscanner. Everywhere option shows cheapest destinations. Google Flights. Price calendar, flexible map. Aviasales. Check both .ru and .com, international often cheaper. Momondo, great for complex routes and connections. Hidden tools. ITA matrix, combines cities and conditions for unique results. Hopper, predicts price drops with 90% accuracy. Kiwi.com, mixes airlines for custom itineraries. Pro tip, always recheck the airline's official website after finding a price on a meta search engine. Sometimes it's cheaper directly. Example, Moscow to Madrid, Google flights, $245. Aviasales, $228. Airline website via Kiwi, $209. 5 minutes saved you almost $40. Takeaway, use a mix of services, then double check with the carrier. Number 5, low-cost carriers, connections, and smart routes. Direct flights are expensive, flexible routes can be half the price. Low-cost airlines, Europe, Ryanair, Wizz Air, and Indigo. Asia, AirAsia, Scoot, and Indigo. Middle East, Fly Dubai, and Pegasus. Stick to carry-on only. Oversized bags can cost more than the ticket itself. Connections. Example, New York-Bangkok direct, $1,200. Via Dubai plus low cost, $750. Nearby cities. Paris versus Brussels or Lyon, sometimes 1/3 cheaper plus a short bus ride. Mixing low cost and regular. Fly with the regular carrier to a hub, then switch to a low-cost airline. Total price often half of a direct route. Takeaway, flexibility in routing equals maximum savings. Number 6, miles, bonuses, and loyalty programs. Miles aren't just for frequent business travelers. Credit cards with miles. Every purchase earns points. Look for cards where miles can be spent on any airline. Partnership programs. Taxis, hotels, rental cars, even cafes, many give bonus miles. Airline alliances. Star Alliance, SkyTeam, OneWorld. Miles from one airline can be used with partners. Promotions and bonuses. 1,000 to 3,000 free miles for sign-up or double miles when transferring from a card. Smart use. Spend miles on long-haul flights. Don't hoard them. Sometimes fees can be paid with miles too. Example, Moscow to Tokyo. 70% of the ticket covered with miles. Final cost, $550 instead of $1,150. Takeaway, miles plus bonuses equal affordable long-haul flights. Final recap. Here's the system for saving on every flight. Research of Google Flights or Skyscanner. Compare on Aviasales, Momondo, and Kiwi. Use VPN and switch currency. Take advantage of low-cost carriers and flexible routes. Collect and spend miles smartly. Always recheck directly with the airline. Example, New York-Paris, direct, $1,200. Via Madrid plus low cost plus miles, $550. You saved nearly $650. Subscribe to the channel and hit like so you don't miss new hacks. Start applying these tricks today and fly cheaper than ever.